Oh my God, I am so freaking excited. So Wild Spring Designs had a giveaway on Instagram and I've been following her, and she has a whole bunch of earrings and different styles, different colors, different shapes and whatnot. So yesterday it came in. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open this package because I'm so excited. So I got to pick my color out. And you know what? You guys should follow her on Facebook and follow her on her website. And plus, make sure you follow her on Instagram because they have a lot of beautiful freaking earrings. I'm telling you right now, with different names and, like I said, so many styles and stuff. So I picked my own color and oh my God, we're about to open it. I'm so freaking excited because you know what color I chose? Pink. Yes, it is pink. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open. Oh my God, really? Petunia, say hi, hi. Okay, enough of that. Now the focus is not on her. All right, so we're gonna open this and see this nice package right here. Gosh, look at that, will you look at that? Wow, okay, we got some cards here. Catherine Casanova, owner, designer of Wild Spring Designs at gmail.com. If you want to get a hold of them, 210-880-5108. Yes, it's really pretty. They gave me 2 cards, so that way I can like share with my friends and whatnot. Here's the package, it looks like this. It's so freaking adorable. And the packaging is so freaking pretty. Look, it's even wrapped in bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. Pop, pop. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at it, you guys. Look at it. Oh my God, look. That is my shirt. Will you just look at it? Oh my gosh, look, they even got the little stoppers right there. I'm gonna put this sucker on and we're gonna see what it looks like. Let's put this one on. Oh guys, look. Look. I'm gonna show y'all something with my ear. Check this out. You see that? My ear talks. How are you doing today? Just put this right here, slip it in here nicely. Oh my gosh. You put it in this hole. Put it in this, oh my God, look at these, you guys. Oh my God, I almost poked my eyeball out. It looks styling and profiling. Hey. What's up? What's up? Look at that. Holy cow. Nice. Hey. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down below in the, right here. Right there. Right there. Okay, anyways, so go to Wild Spring Designs, follow them on Facebook, on Instagram, maybe Twitter. I don't know if they have a Twitter, but I need to check on that. I'm gonna say bye-bye and thank you so much, guys. I totally appreciate it. But if you guys want to send me something else, anybody else out there that want me to review anything, that'd be great.